Dear viewers, welcome back to Edu-Archs. In this video, we are going to show you how to step into architecture course B.ARCH, Bachelor of Architecture, through the entrance exam NATA, a National Aptitude Test in Architecture, conducted by COA, Council of Architecture. Before getting in, let me first know the role of COA in architecture. COA, Council of Architecture, it has been constituted by Government of India under the provisions of Architects Act 1972. The Act provides for registration of architects, standards of education, recognized qualifications and standards of professional conduct compiled by architects. Any person should be carrying on the profession as architect must have registered with Council of Architecture. He has been given a COA registration number. There are about 465 institutions presently imparting architectural education in India. The standards of education being imparted in these institutions constitutes colleges, Department of Universities, deemed universities, affiliated colleges, IITs, NITs and autonomous institutions are prescribed and monitored by Council of Architecture by way of regulation and norms which set forth the requirement of eligibility for admission, course duration, standards of staff and accommodations, course content, examination, etc. As per the minimum standards of architectural education regulation, NATA Aptitude Test in Architecture is mandatory for admission to B.ARCH degree courses. What is NATA? National Aptitude Test in Architecture measures the aptitude of the applicant for a specific field of study, that is architecture. Architecture profession is a very artistic, imaginative, challenging and a responsible profession. Architects contribute immensely in the development of a nation. Apart from creative field, it is a technical subject as well. NATA is an aptitude test and not an entrance examination which judges both creative and technical capabilities. National Aptitude Test in Architecture NATA, it is being conducted by COA since 2006. It has the necessary expertise to hold a common aptitude test in architecture at national level to provide a single window system for appearing in aptitude tests and to facilitate admission to B.ARCH degree courses at all recognized institutions all over the country. NATA measures the aptitude of the applicant for specific field of study. The test makes an assessment of drawing and observation skills, sense of proportions, aesthetic sensitivity, physics, chemistry and mathematics at 10+2 level and critical thinking ability that have been acquired by the candidate over the past few years. NATA shall be conducted twice a year, giving opportunity to students who miss out the first test due to some reasons or other or wish to improve upon the NATA score in the first test by reappearing the second test. Both the first and second test will be conducted on a different date as one-day online examination all over the country. The test shall consist of two parts. Part A on drawing, which is paper based, and part B comprised of multiple choice question, usually called MCQ, on physics, chemistry, mathematics and general aptitude, which is to be answered online. This has been devised as a step towards producing a competent architects to serve the society and to build the nation in coming decades, especially in view of Government of India's mission of smart cities and housing for all and green and energy efficient buildings. Subjects and marks of examination. The part A has paper based and it has 135 minutes. The drawings will be in a A4 size paper and you are being given a 3 questions carrying 35 marks and 55 marks respectively. The total marks given for the part A is 125 marks and you are given a break period of 15 minutes, and after that the second exam part B is an online mode which has 45 minutes and carries 75 marks. The questions are from PCM, physics, chemistry, mathematics, 15 questions each carrying 1.5 marks, and general aptitude and logical reasoning 35 questions and each carrying 1.5 marks each. Distribution of marks. So the total marks for part A will be 70 for 2 questions and 55 for another question, and in PCM it is 22.5 and general aptitude and logical reasoning is 52.5. In the total it is 200 marks. Part A drawing test. The drawing aptitude is judged on the following aspects: ability to sketch a given object proportionately and rendering the same in visually appealing manner, visualizing and drawing the effects of light on the object and shadows cast on surroundings, sense of perspective drawings, combining and composing given three-dimensional elements to form a building or a structural form, creating interesting two-dimensional compositions using given shapes and forms, creating a visual harmony using colors in given composition, understanding of scale and proportions, drawing from memory to a pencil and sketches from a theme from day-to-day experiences. And part B consists of 50 questions for which 4 options will be given. Out of 4 options, only one option is correct and the correct response will yield 1.5 marks. There is no negative marking in NATA exams. Evaluations. The answer to each question in the drawing paper will be examined by more than one examiner independently and the marks will be averaged. The primary emphasis in scoring the drawing section will be on the candidate's drawing, imagination and observation skill. The candidate's sense of proportion and perspective will also be evaluated together with sense for color and composition. Eligibility criteria. Candidates who have passed 10+2 level examination with at least 50% aggregate marks in physics, chemistry and mathematics, usually called PCM, and also at least 50% mark in aggregate of 10+2 level examinations, or passed 10+3 diploma examination with mathematics as a compulsory subject with at least 50% marks in aggregate are eligible. Current year students may also provisionally appear for NATA exams subject to fulfilling the above criteria. The candidates belonging to SC, ST, OBC, NCL category or PWD, persons with disability, shall be provided a relaxation of 5% marks in total aggregate in 10+2 or a 10+3 diploma as well as in PCM. Result format. Results will be available in the website nata.in, which will be announced in various electronic and printing media before declaration of results. Qualifying marks for NATA. A minimum of 32 marks out of 125 marks must be secured in Part A, which is approximately 25%, and a minimum of 80 marks out of 75 marks must be secured in Part B, approximately 25%, and the overall qualifying marks out of 200 would be based on post-exam statistics and at the discretion of the council. For NATA test registration, application has to be filled up online at NATA portal of nata.in. Candidates need to visit the portal and click the link online application NATA, and thereafter will be directed to the actual application forms. Any queries in NATA entrance exam and about admission to B.ARCH courses, type your queries in comment box. We will reply you as soon as possible. Thank you.